Hi.
Hi. Come. Sit.
So, never in Neptune, huh? आप तो राइटर बन गए मिस्टर दीपक सहाय.
Yeah.
So, आपकी नई बुक कब आ रही है?
I'm still working on it. Next year mid तक हो जाना चाहिए. Yeah.
इतना टाइम लगेगा?
Yes, dear. It takes time to write a book. One second.
By the way, you look different in your mustache.
In fact, when I saw your profile ना, ये लगा ही नहीं कि तुम.
अच्छा?
In fact, फिर मैंने एल्बम चेक किया, your old photographs. Then I realized कि अच्छा ये तो अपनी पुरानी आयशा है. But you've changed a lot, huh? Long hair and all gone. But your smile and dimple, they are the same.
What does your wife do? Your daughter is so cute.
Yeah, yes. Thanks. My wife is into academics. There is some conference in Bangalore, so she had to go. Hopefully she'll be back by tomorrow. And my daughter also wanted to go with her. I had a couple of meetings here, so I stayed back.
अच्छा हुआ you stayed back. At least we could meet up.
Yeah. See, I completely forgot. You'll have something? Chai, coffee?
You need help?
No, thanks. This much I can manage.
Okay. By the way, you have not changed much. Formal as you always were.
Why should I change? Do I really need to?
No, I didn't mean that. Acha, tell me, why did you ask me to come home today? You knew your wife won't be at home.
Come on, yeah. We are meeting after so many years. You think I'll have any bad intentions?
No, I didn't mean that. You had better chances before. But you didn't take any effort.
So, are you seeing someone? As in a boyfriend or fiance?
Not really. I mean, I got into a couple of relationships, but didn't work out, so moved on.
So basically a free Atma now, huh?
Yeah, you can say that. By the way, I'm moving to Ladakh for a couple of months. Helping a friend of mine for his documentary film.
Great, yeah. Let me see if I can come there for a couple of days.
No, please. I mean, of course you can come, but you know, I'll be at work and I don't want anybody to disturb me there.
Come on, Aisha. I was planning to go there with my family. Why should I come and bother you? Hello? Yeah. Excellent. There's a call I have to attend. 10 minutes, sir. Excuse me.
Yeah.
My daughter, Sana, made it.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I thought you made it.
I wish I could.
You know what? Sometimes I feel jealous of you.
Jealous? क्यों?
I don't know. I just felt like saying it.
Aisha, you just can't say whatever comes to your mind. Come on. There has to be some logic to it, right?
Logic. Mr. Deepak Sahai, you're having such a good life because of me. You should be thankful.
Sorry?
Well, if I would have said what I felt 10 years back, logically, कुछ और होता.
Aish. Honestly speaking, back then I did fall for you. But I thought you were too young to understand. Or maybe you wouldn't accept me. And then you had a group of your own. मुझे शायद लगा कि उसमें से कोई somebody must be very close to you, and I don't know why I had this feeling, but and then I didn't take any efforts to express myself. I don't know why.
It's getting dark. I think I should leave now.
Aish, I'm sorry.
Please don't be.
You know, I tried a lot. And last day, a farewell party mein,
Why on earth didn't you tell me? I mean, you could have tried once. I mean, all this while. I thought it was only from my side.
I tried a lot. But you're too young to understand.
Maybe. But when I understood, you were already gone. Maybe किसी की भी गलती नहीं है. Just the situation.
या फिर दोनों की गलती थी. Aish, why don't you stay back? ट्रैफिक कम होने तक.
But what's the point? I'm already getting late.
Anyway, you're late. थोड़ा और रुक जाओ ना, प्लीज. आयुष, let's have another cup of tea.
Hi.
Hi. Come. Sit now.
So, never in Neptune, huh? आप तो राइटर बन गए मिस्टर दीपक सहाय.